Hey guys, what's up? This is Aniket and today I will be reviewing the SF120 ARGB fan kit from AntESports. So since you have clicked on this video, it means you are searching for ARGB fans on a budget or you want to know how good is the SF120 ARGB kit. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So this is the AntESports SF120 box pack. These fans support all the popular RGB compatible softwares available in the market. In case you don't have any ARGB or even a RGB header, then also it will work with your system. How? I will show you in a bit. The unboxing experience is really good. The box is all nice and attractive, and inside you get a separate packing for all the small stuff. So inside this yellow box you get these tiny envelopes holding screws for the fans, a small remote to control the RGB. Next is a controller or hub, whatever you want to call it. It can support up to 10 fans and 2 LED strips, which is a very good thing. But the problem is it requires this special type of connector for the fans. So again, it's a con, but there's another positive side of this controller as well. In case you don't have an ARGB header, you can just connect the SATA for power and leave it. You can control the RGB with the remote and it will be just fine. Or else, if your motherboard has an ARGB header, then you can connect the ARGB cable and use your motherboard software to control the RGB. So now coming to the fans. Each fan has its own packaging. I feel like I'm unboxing some premium product. I must appreciate the unboxing experience. It is really good. And just like the unboxing experience, the quality of the fans is also very good for the price. It's quite heavy and has a solid, robust build, just like some premium ARGB fans that are available in the market. The plastic they used here is of very good quality. It has a 9-blade design and the blades have some engraved design on it, which enhances its looks even further. These fans also comes with shock absorbers, but they are in white color, and that's kind of a bad thing as they will easily get dirty. But nonetheless, it looks good. For the RGB, it has two zones. One is the ring, the white translucent circular plastic part, and the other is the center part around the AntESports sticker. Coming to the connection part, these are the special connectors that the hub supports. This has so many wires going through, so I will recommend you to be extra careful while installing. If anything happens to this part, then you are basically left with a dead RGB fan. And lastly, who want to know some technical stuff, these fans have a maximum RPM of 1200 and the minimum is 650 RPM. You can also see the power consumption. Now I will be installing it on my friend's PC. But before that, I will just connect it and see if everything works properly or not. So they are looking really good, and I'm done here. The rest of the video will be at his place. Installation was way more tiring than expected because the screws were very tight. It took a hell lot of force to tighten the screws. It was so tight that I was forced to get the Hulk out of myself. So after installation, it looks like this. You can also see how much happy my friend is right now after seeing the glowing RGB. Now he can finally do Anyways, jokes apart, after testing it for a couple of hours, I found some things you need to know before you buy it. There's plenty of cool effects on the controller, so don't use the motherboard software all the time because it will just minimize many of your effects, because the motherboard software will show only those effects which are supported by the motherboard software. And one more thing, if you go to the auto option in the remote, then you have to cycle back through all the effects to your previously set effect, because it doesn't remember if you click on the auto option. There's no option to go back. The remote works from other room also, it's that good. I don't know how it's doing, but it does it every time with ease. This remote is just like a TV remote, an infrared censored remote, but I don't know how it's doing it. Even if I put it in my pocket or go to the other room and try it, it does it every time with ease. Next is, after all they're fans, so you wanna know how do they work. So they work good as expected. Temperatures inside the cabinet remains under control and the fans are not too loud as well. They're quite good for the price. The only thing you don't get in these fans is the option to control the fan speed. In this price range, no CPU fan kit offers ARGB with remote and controller support. So I guess it's compromisable. The fans run in 70 to 80% fan speed all the time to provide an optimal airflow in the case. The light it emits is very bright. I mean, if you want to buy it for the ARGB, then this is just great. The colors and brightness are just too good for the price. Even the white color is a perfect white, which many products fail to achieve. Lastly, I tried to find fans with this particular connector, but I got nothing. So you need to buy it in sets or you won't be able to connect the other fans with the controller. And yeah, if you buy another set, then you will have one more controller, which you may or may not connect, and keep it if one gets damaged so you can replace it later on. So that's completely up to you. The SF120 kit is a good product. I mean, so far with my testing, I didn't find any serious flaws. Every budget product has some flaws and so does this. And the flaws here are not anything deal breaking. So I will recommend you to go with this if you're searching for ARGB fans on a budget. And with that said, I will request you to like and share this video if you really enjoyed my content. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Buy link is in the description, and as always, I will be catching you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.